Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 53. This question is from GATE 2014 examination. Let us read the question. A fully controlled converter bridge feeds a highly inductive load, okay, with a ripple free load current. Okay, so it is given that I0 is equal to capital I0, right? I0 which is equal to constant current. The input voltage Vs to the bridge is sinusoidal source. Input voltage is sinusoidal, okay. Triggering angle of the bridge is 30 degree. Alpha equal to 30 degree. It is given. The input power factor. This is a very simple question. Directly they have asked for the input power factor. Okay, so it is for the RL load or the RLE load, but it is a highly inductive. Okay, for this type of loads, when the supply voltage is sinusoidal and the supply current is non-sinusoidal, okay, then we are having the standard expression. We have already discussed it in the video sessions. What is the input power factor? Is equal to 0.9 into cos of alpha. Okay, so it is like a 0.9 into cos alpha, that is a cos of 30 degree, right? 0.9 into cos 30 degree. So if you check, it is equal to 0.9 into cos 30. So it is a 0.78. 0.78. Okay, this is the input power factor. Input power factor. Okay, very simple question. This question is from GATE 2014 examination. Thank you.